So we've just had a package arrive from Maxpeedingrods. We sent us some camber arms to try out on Ross's car. Ross currently needs a bit more camber on the back of his E46 because his wheels are rubbing. We've maxed out the camber to as much as possible on the standard control arms. So Maxpeedingrods sent us these. Hopefully we can dial some more camber in and he won't be touching his arches anymore. There we are, set of Maxpeedingrods camber arms. If you need these, use Garage36 discount code at the checkout and you get 10% off. Quite cheap anyway, I think they're only about 60-70 quid. So as you can see, Ross has quite big wheels and they're touching his arches when he hits some bumps. So just running standard camber arms at the moment, running max camber on them. So hopefully with some new camber arms, dial in a bit more camber. So we're going to remove these and get the new shiny Maxpeedingrods ones fitted. Might have to move the diff back a slight bit just to get these bolts out. They're quite long, so they normally hit the drive shafts. Yeah, we get this all removed, get the new ones on. So I've just greased up these, greased all the threads on each side. If you don't grease the threads on each side, you will not be able to turn them after you put them on the car because they'll start seizing up. So use plenty of grease and you should be sound. So just removing the drive shaft just to get it out of the way so we can pull out this control arm bolt. It just touches the drive shaft, so just going to remove that just so it comes out easier. So this side is the more difficult side. As you can see, the control arm bolt hits the diff, so we're just going to undo, remove this bracket, drop it off just so we can get access then to these bolts and just so we can move the diff a slight bit. Forwards. So there's Ross's Maxpeedingrods camber arms fitted. Should have plenty of space now for his wheels not to rub. Plenty of camber on the back. As I said, if you need a set of these, use Garage36 for a discount code, 10% off on the Maxpeedingrods website. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, so all done.